Alright, hi everyone. I wrote a little tool that's supposed to help you plan your collabs for when you're streaming with some friends, for playing streams with them. It takes a little bit of setup, so I made this video to explain how to use it. So when you first start up the tool, you get this blank page here where you have 3 panels: games, partners, and settings. You can go to settings, I guess, first, and then you can choose what your favorite date format is. I like the ISO format, so I'll go with this. I'll explain these other two, what these will do in a moment. But for now, the next thing you're going to want to do is click on partners and then click add partner, and this is where you write down who you want to do collab streams with. So I have a friend named Jubilee. We can leave this blank. She only schedules on Mondays, so I'll say Mondays here. And she loves visual novels, but she hates horror games. So we'll click the add here to add these tags. I'm gonna add also another person. Her name is let's add Bunny Celeste. She can only stream after 9 p.m. and actually she's busy until Wednesday. And yeah, I guess that's enough for now. Then we're gonna go to games, and then here's where you add what games you want to collab with people. So for my first game, I have a game here called the Jeremiah Detective Agency, which I'll paste in here. I need to stream it by sometime in June, and it's a one person, it's a 2-player collab, so there's me and then I need 1 partner, so I put 1 here. Steam ID, let me look it up. It's this one. And I think that's it. So here we see, like, I need to today, relative to today's date, I need to stream this in 15 days and have 0 people out of 1. I need 1 collab partner, and I've got 0 commitments so far. So I go here. This actually, I'm a little bit surprised. It should have automatically updated the cover URL. I don't know. That's a bug. I'll fix that, right? But I'll figure that out. But normally when you put the Steam ID here, it should have automatically populated in the cover URL like this. Or if it's not a Steam game, like if it's some other game, you can manually put in a cover URL if you like. That's optional. But here's the cover for the game. And then, so what I have here is the list of people who might be available to play this game. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go onto Discord and I'm gonna just send a message to Jubilee, say, hey Jubilee, do you want to stream this game with me? It's called Jeremiah Detective Agency, and then I'll send her a link to the game or something like that, and then I'll click here, ask to record the fact that I asked her to collab this with me. Now sometimes after she might not get back to me, maybe because she's busy, but let's say I had asked her, let's say, you know, on the 17th, so that's 6 days ago. So this line would then turn red to say I haven't got a response, so I might want to start looking for, you know, someone else to stream it with. So let's say then I ask, oops, I didn't want to click on her. Let's say then I ask Bunny, so I click the ask button here. So I ask her, and then let's say she says yes. She said yes, and then she confirmed it. So now when I go back to here, the game moved from the needs more partners to the plan, and then you see here it says 1 and 1. So I wanted 1 partner to collab with, and I got 1 confirmation. So this game, we're good to go. We don't need to worry about finding someone to collab this game with. Let me show you something else. I'm going to add another game. Let's see this one. Okay, so I'm copying and pasting here from another thing. So Dreadline and net quota is let's see, I need to stream it by August 8th. And this is actually a 6-player co-op game, so I need 5 partners. Steam ID is this, and the logo is this, and it is a horror game. It's also a first-person shooter. And so what you'll see here is then this icon shows up saying that Julie is not a good pick for this collab because she hates horror games. So then I should ask someone else. Let me add some more data here real quick. I might do some post-processing editing here, but this is based on real-life data. Let me just add a few more people here. All right, so here I've added a few more. I did a little bit more data entry, added a few more people, and then you see here this is more realistic of what it'll look like, at least for my situation. So this is still that Dreadline game. I asked a bunch of people. Some of them haven't responded. Some of them said no. So, maybe because I think Sneaky Tomato didn't find the game appealing for other reason. Verabel, unfortunately, was busy until August, so she couldn't. But then I got a couple yeses here. See, Shibu Wu, Onibang, and Shen Shiny. So that's 3 people, but I'm looking for 5 people to get the 6-player co-op. So me plus 5 people. So then I'm looking. I can see on this list here the next people I might ask maybe is Junsui, who likes horror games, and then Astro Rose. So I'll go over to Discord, I'll send them a quick message, and then I'll just record that I asked them, and then this is how I can keep track. Who have I asked already? I can have Jubilee as a last resort if these people don't respond. So now we can get into what one of the settings was. So if you ask someone and they don't respond after a certain while, this line, the row turns red to indicate that you haven't gotten a response in that amount of time, and the deadline by default is 3 days. So that's where you go here, and you can here. This is where you control how long before the row turns dead. So it's just a visual thing, so you can keep track of when you need to move on to the next person, asking the next person on your list. But yeah, that's the basic idea. So then you can look at your list of games. You see, I got 3 out of 5 people here for this collab. I need 2 more. I need to find 2 more people within the next 2 months. This one is good. I found the collab I need, and we're gonna stream it in about 15 days, or within the next 15 days. This is the deadline of when I need to stream it by. We got here the list of people, everyone that I can collab with. This is when I last collab with them. So like if it's been a while, I might say, I haven't done a collab with Magical Fauna in a while. Maybe I should hit her up and then see if she's interested in doing something. And yeah, so that's the app. Maybe you'll find it useful. If so, I hope it'll help you out. Let me know if you find any bugs or any feature requests. And yeah, that's it. Thanks everyone.